Did you know a single image layer in Figma can have a lot of style options? An image layer in Figma has all of these different options for filling and cropping, and you can also adjust the radius of the corners, and when you transfer with Overlord, it creates this mask layer that's used as a matte or a regular image layer. Another thing you can add to a single image layer is additional fills. You can stack these fills. So right here, this is a gradient, and it's set to overlay blend mode. And when you transfer with Overlord, it adds a gradient fill set to overlay. One more thing you can add is strokes. So now, when you transfer that with Overlord, it creates an additional stroke layer. And it's important to note that all of these layers, the masks, the fills, and all that, are parented to the image layer, so it makes animation easy. The newest version of Overlord now handles creating stacked fills and strokes on images from Figma. So have fun styling, and we'll see you next time.